You eat them every morning, but have you ever seen how millions of these tiny, crispy shapes are made in one giant factory? This is where your morning begins. But how do these simple grains become your favorite crispy cereal?
First, every grain is thoroughly cleaned and sorted. They are then milled down into the perfect consistency.
The base is mixed with flavor, nutrients, and water to create a dough. This dough is then cooked under high pressure and temperature.
Here's the magic. The dough is forced through molds, creating those iconic cereal shapes.
Blades cut the strands into bite-sized pieces. The pieces are dried in a giant oven to remove moisture and set their form. Then, they're toasted to achieve that perfect, crisp texture.
For sweet varieties, a coating of flavor is applied in this rotating drum.
Essential vitamins and minerals are added to fortify every piece.
The cereal is cooled down, locking in the crunch and flavor. High-speed cameras and air jets ensure only perfect pieces move forward.
Every batch passes through metal detectors for ultimate safety.
The packaging line creates the bags themselves at astonishing speed.
Automated scales fill each bag with perfect precision.
Air is replaced with gas to keep the cereal fresh and crispy for months. Bags are sealed and coated for freshness and traceability. Robots pack the bags into shipping boxes with efficiency. Boxes are sealed and stacked onto pallets, ready for shipping. Samples from every batch are tested in the lab to meet strict standards. The final product, ready to stock supermarket shelves across the country.
From raw grain to your breakfast bowl, a journey of modern food science and scale.
Discover more secrets behind your everyday food on Ultra Process Hub. Subscribe and hit the bell for our next factory reveal.